Yo, this is the second video at 4SRC, 4 Second Racing Club, Warrington, UK, shipping worldwide GTR parts. They've done me a sick deal today on a brand new carbon GTR steering wheel. This is going to be epic. Let's go and have a look. If you missed the last video, we did install a bonnet in here for this channel, and that is it on. But if you want to see that video, go to the last 4SRC video we did on the channel. Now, today we are installing this beauty. It's double flat bottom, flat top, which is more racing style. Obviously, it's got no centres on because the centre's in the car right now. How epic is that? Perforated black leather, carbon fibre lower and higher with the red custom stitching on that thing. This is an insane steering wheel. It's absolutely mad. If some of you have been watching this channel for quite some time, you'll know that I actually ordered this exact colour theme steering wheel for my Mark 7 Golf R, which has now gone. So it's quite cool to have a steering wheel what's a bit of a tribute to the Mark 7R steering wheel. We are also topping it off with some carbon for the front of it. Let's go and have a look at the standard steering wheel. So this is a standard steering wheel. You've got that perforated leather, you've got the round bottom and the round top, and then this grey is what I'm replacing for carbon. So the whole cockpit is going to look carbon in a minute. It's going to be crazy.
Okay, start.
What am I doing first?
Right, pop the bonnets off.
Oh, quick one. Will this change anything in my car from disconnecting the battery?
No, that won't change anything.
Okay.
Okay, that off. Right, remove the positive.
Oh, won't you have the radar bag out? Nah.
Nah. Ooh, you are touching.
Did you see that?
Yeah, because you're touching the negative and the positive at the same time. Let me get you a shot. Let you give me a spanner. No, that's fine.
Oh, that's fine?
That's fine. Just one off, that's fine.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Next, back to the car. Okay, when you look down your steering wheel, there's a two little cover.
Yeah, I've got to get them off with the pick.
Yeah, get a pick. And don't scratch it. They got one dent on the one side. Got it? Don't lose them.
Got it.
Another side as well.
Famous last words, don't lose them. This is 4 Second Racing. FSRC's how-tos, spread the word.
4SRC.
4SRC.
Yep. And then check that it's the right size. Yep. You're using Topsy 30 with
T30.
T30 with the tamper that got a hose in the middle.
For security purposes.
For security purposes.
Nice.
So get that. Where's your ratchet? I'll get you a new one.
This is going to be epic.
Alright.
Carbon wheel tings.
Crack them off.
Do you have to take the steering wheel off to put paddles on?
You don't have to. We don't have to.
You don't have to.
I don't know about you.
I would have to. So I have to do this on both sides?
Do it both sides and then take the bolts out.
Is that a problem?
No. Can't. Because it's in the back cover.
This makes golden content. These mistakes. As long as it's not a problem.
Nope. Okay, and then put on the floor. Now you can take that off. Slowly, slowly, slowly. It's got cables on it. You see that black tab?
Yeah.
Use your pick. The black tabs go up.
Oh yeah, like
there
that.
you go.
Both of them?
Yeah, and then unplugged it.
And then pull them out?
Yep.
1, 2. GTR airbag coming at you. Bang!
Success. Unplug this little Y plug.
Yeah, using the pick.
Yeah, you can use the pick. Now, you can see on the back, you've got to just press that and then push.
Okay.
Pull out, pull out. I will use it.
Oh, I see.
You see it?
Is it a push one?
Now, pull out. Push in and then pull out.
Shit, I just went through loads of wires.
Oh.
Oh my god. Did I damage wires? I don't think so.
Right, and then that.
Yeah, that comes off.
Yeah, comes off.
So the black one comes off.
Just unplug this little, that's horn.
Yeah.
And then we need to take that off.
Big old socket.
Yeah.
Sick, this thing. How much was this?
Can't remember.
10 years ago.
No, 5 years.
How many years you been tampering with Nissan GTRs?
Over 10 years.
I'm jealous.
Okay. Right, is it tight? Yeah, it's tight. Put it back on.
Yep.
Otherwise, you're going to break your
Clock spring.
Put it halfway. Don't use that. Next time, when you put the
First do it, yeah.
And then tap the back. Yeah,
Done.
now remove that bolt. The bolt.
Yeah.
Wheels come off. You got a bolt inside. Watch out.
You got a what? Oh, a bolt inside.
Yep. Take that off.
Oh yeah. How does that come off?
It's a clips on it. Just unclip it. Just take it off the little hook.
Oh, there. I see.
There you go.
Where's my bolt? Where's my bolter?
We find it this way. You hold the camera.
It's harder than it looks. Hey! Something tells me this next bit's the technical bit. Look how dead the original one looks. Let's put them next to each other. That one is dead compared to that one. Look at the difference. So much crazier.
Yep.
So this is a standard Nissan GTR steering wheel. As you can see, tired leather. This is the new Nissan GTR steering wheel. So this is it laid. Oh my days. Look at the difference. That's sick. So that's what it looks like without. I don't think that looks bad. It is pretty cool.
It's bad.
Brushed alley versus
Plastic.
carbon. Carbon fibre.
Yep.
Yeah. We are on. Holy hell. Oh. Can you hear the music? How's it going louder? Install time.
That would. This go on the wheel first.
How much for some carbon blades whilst we're here?
You want some?
How much? Born ready.
Okay, go.
I'm a GTR enthusiast. I was born ready. We'll put on the control.
Bomb ready.
One previous owner.
Bomb ready.
So this, oh, the spring's going fair. We're having a bad time. We're having a bad time here. 2, 3.
Yeah, turn around. Flip it. Add it on it. Yeah, good. Okay, that good to go back on it. So that 2.
Can we just have a minute for that? Are you crazy? Let's get this out. Come on. Look at that. Oh my God. Let's look at it like this with the reflection. Dude, that's insane. Are you serious? That's insane.
You like it?
Who wouldn't? If you don't like that, you don't like cars. 4-second racing club.
Yeah.
That's insane.
And then you see the 2-hole going that 2
Oh
pin.
yeah, so it goes that way.
Press the black. Correct. Good man.
Result. I'm getting better at my job. And we are on. And now watch push it in.
Yep, slowly pushing.
What does it clip on?
Nothing clips on.
Really?
And then your 2 bolts. Side bolt.
The bolts, you're right.
Yep.
Oh my God, look at that. Let's not celebrate just yet. Let's finish this. Imagine if I drop it in now.
Yep. Check if you can hold it. Just check press. Good. Yep. Right, slow. These are you gotta be really slow. If you drops it, you have to take the wheels off again.
How much of the wheel would you have to take off if you drop it? The whole thing again?
The whole thing again. How can you get it out? It's in the back cover. Okay, halfway in.
Halfway?
I'll start another bolt.
On the other side?
Yep. All the way down. As much low as you can.
All the way up.
You're gonna shock yourself in a bit. Done.
Done. And let's close the brand new bonnet, which if you missed the video, you can see in a future, in an old episode. Check out the new steering wheel. Can't believe that. It's crazy. That's insane. High gloss carbon centre section, flat bottom, top and bottom, perforated leather with red stitching. That's put 10 years on the Nissan GTR. That is absolutely amazing.
What is next, Harry?
Can't believe it. Next, we're doing mods in my garage with some more parts.